Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be doing another luxury bag review. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today I'll be reviewing this Versace bag. I recently got this bag and it's for Mother's Day, my Mother's Day gift. So I'll be opening it up and show you guys what is in it. So I've been wanting a colored purple bag for a while, and it comes in this bag. Comes in this box, and I'll be unboxing it. This is a bag from Versace. And I have my receipt in here, and I think they gave me some samples, speaking samples. It's the samples, and it comes in this box, and it has this logo Versace on it, and this is the bag. So it comes in this dust bag. I'm gonna open it up, and this is the bag. Isn't it pretty? I think the color is lilac, and it comes with this Versace head logo here. And if you open it, it has extra strap. Actually, it comes with this two straps, and it has all this. This is the inside of the bag. It's just one hole, and I think this is the, oh, this is just the tag of the bag, and it comes with this slip pocket right here, and it comes with this two gold things that you can put in the strap, and it has this magnetic, I think it's magnetic, oh yeah, just a, yeah, it's magnetic clip. You can clip the bag, and this is the strap, the longer strap. I think I'm not sure. I think, oh, okay, like this, and you put it in here. Yeah, I think the hose goes in here. There's something for this one, and it comes with this second one. This is like a chain, but I think it's made of plastic. You can clip it here if you don't want to use the longer hand. You can clip it here like this. This is the bag. I really like it. So you can carry it like this, or you can use the other chain. I hope you like this video. Tell me what you think on the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. It's my only solution.